Here how he went like this, right? He put his nose, he put his shape right here, right? And then he got his eyes, but then he's making that bend in the cheek shape and coming around to it. You don't, so you can express it in different ways each time. But this way right here, because of the view of the face, I can see why he did it that way. Now I can see too why how he comes around like this, but then he goes inside of the shape and kind of comes around here. He gives it like a 3D kind of a feel. I see what you did there, buddy. Okay, and then over here, of course, we got our teeth coming from behind there. And again, we're just doing a 3D feel. And before it wraps around the bottom of the face like that. So what realism that it gives the cartoon, that feel of I'm just gonna do a little cloud shape here. Right. Uh-huh. Something like that. Mm-hmm. So I like that right there. Just pay attention to that 3/4 roundness right there. Just put a little light bulb there so I'll know to take a note of that. Like the way he did this here. Yeah, looking at other artists and kind of how they, not what they're drawing, but how they order the lines. You know, the lines have to be in a certain order for you to get that 3D look for your picture. You know what I mean? So that's really what I'm checking out here. That 3D look, where my lines are supposed to go. Okay. So that's pretty cool there. All right. So we did, this is my version of that picture, right? Okay. Man, I just love the animation in these pictures. So let's go here and let's do some actual. So we're gonna take some of the models that we downloaded. What about this? What's this one right here? All right, so we'll try her. I can add a little bit more of a style to it, you know, but I'm gonna do my eye shapes here. I see a lot of space between those eyes. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and draw some light features like way out here where they're, you know, where we get the space of the eye correctly, and then we come out here and we add, you know, you see how we add those. You can add some long eyelashes there. All right, something like that, and then we'll get our nose shape about right here. Okay. And then what you want to do is just kind of figure out where the center of your mouth is, and once you have the center, you just do like this, bring it down, right? Then you come up, and we can put a little bit of a smile on her, right? Okay. I made the lips a little bit bigger, just for comedic effect, right? Mm-hmm. She has some big earrings here. Let's give her some big, nice, big hoop earrings. Okay. And then we have this this space here. Let's go ahead and first of all give her some thick eyebrows, but not long, you know what I mean? And then we can kind of start trying to put our hair shape in there. She has big hair, so because of the way I started, I'm not going to probably be able to get everything in all of her hair in the picture, but Keep everything nice and open. Do like this here. Maybe add some lashes down here. A little bit of lighting here, maybe. Oh, what if we just go with some square lighting? How does that? Oh, that's awesome right there. We did some square lights. Some shininess of the lips, right? Ooh. Okay. All right. Okay, and let's see here. Do, 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 do. Okay. So that one came out pretty good. All right. Let's do this right here. I wonder. Let me see. Make sure we put plenty of expression in the face. I like to play with the expression through the eyebrows. That's just the way I like to do it. Right? I like that nose right there, fearless nose shape. Okay, then this is the top lip here, and so we can put it about that far away, and then we'll just do this here. Maybe something like this here. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me see here. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.